Hello, today we are going to check countables and uncountables nouns. Now, first, the countables nouns are all the things that you can count one by one. For example, you can say 1, 2, 3 bananas, 4, 5, 6 apples, and etc. And in the case of uncountable things, are all the things those are difficult to count. For example, your hair. Probably you can say that you can count your hair, but yes, you can. But it's difficult to count them one by one. For that reason, the hair is uncountable. Another example could be sugar. That probably you can say, yes, I can count one by one, but no, it's difficult to count them. For that reason, count for in the case of uncountables. Now, I will give you some explanations and some examples that you can understand better. For example, apple, you can try it with letter S because it is plural and singular because it's a countable noun. And you can say, for example, that you have 1, 2, 3 apples and etc. Another example in the case of uncountable noun could be, for example, the rice. You can't count the rice. It's difficult to count them. For that reason, you can say I have dish of rice, I have a bowl of rice, and etc. But you can say that you have 3 rices. It's weird to say that, and it's difficult, and it's wrong. Now, you have, for example, another in the case of uncountable, you can have soda. Because remember, you can count exactly the soda. Probably in Spanish you can use it, but in English you can do it. Because if you want to change it to uncountable, you have to do it in another way. For example, I have this container. This container, the name is can. So, if I want to change the soda to a countable thing, I have to write a can or cans of soda. In that case, I change my uncountable things to a countable because I have a container. The containers, you can count them. In other case, you can't count them and for that reason are uncountable. Another example, the shampoo. The shampoo is uncountable. But if you change it and you put it in a container, you can count them. In this, for example, you have a bottle of shampoo. And now you change shampoo to a countable thing. Now, those are the difference between countables and uncountables nouns.